In today's competitive online landscape, outranking competitors is essential to drive organic traffic to your website and establish your brand as an authority in the industry. As companies seek to innovate and stay competitive, the role of the product manager has become increasingly important in driving success. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of product managers is projected to grow by 10% from 2020 to 2030, which is faster than the average for all the occupations. Product management is an important function in modern businesses responsible for driving product innovation, development, and success in the market. This is why the salary for product manager is pretty high. The annual salary for a product manager in the United States is $102,000. With the increasing demand for digital products and services, the role of product managers has become even more crucial in today's fast-paced and dynamic business environment. So are you ready to take your career to the next level? Simplilearn's professional certificate in product management will introduce you to the perfect mix of theoretical knowledge and extensive hands-on capstone projects. This program is in collaboration with SP Jain School of Global Management, which is ranked 4th in the world by Times Higher Education. This program involves 4 months of live, rigorous training from SP Jain's top faculties spread across Australia, Dubai, India, etc. This program covers first, why products fail and some succeed, understanding your product. In this session, you will appreciate the purpose of your product and how to make decisions among disruptions and changing market conditions to keep the purpose anchored strong. Next course is leadership, growth mindset, and having a product culture. In this session, we will learn about leadership thinking, culture for product development, and product milestone achievement. Next is feeling the pulse of the customer product ideation and strategy. In this session, we will learn about understanding the product audience, understanding product relevance, defining key results and objectives. Next course is product idealization, design thinking, innovation, and market. In this course, we will learn about product idealization strategy, design thinking techniques, innovation and market fit, creating buyer personas, positioning, and messaging based on standard templates and frameworks. Following this course is value validation and testing if customers would pay. In this session, we will learn defining product value, conducting market research analysis, and product resource identification. Along with all these, there are many other topics and concepts that will be covered in this professional certification in product management program. So what else can you expect from this program? This program includes Simplilearn's Job Assist, which will help you get noticed by top hiring companies. Second is SP Jain Global School of Management certification. Third is hands-on learning experience by solving real-life product problems via project on Facebook, Tesla, Instagram, Netflix, and Nike. Fourth is hands-on learning via case studies and assignment. Then fifth is 8 times higher engagement in live online classes by SP Jain top global faculties. Next is product management toolkit training that involves Jira, Mixpanel, Google Analytics, and Balsamiq. This program contains live session via product leaders from Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, VMware, and is designed for graduates and experienced professionals looking to explore their careers as product managers. Upon completion of this professional certification in product management, you will receive a certification of completion from SP Jain School of Global Management. These certificates will testify to your skills as an expert in product management. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this chance to take your career to the next level. Enroll in our professional certificate in product management program today and start your journey to become a product manager. The link is added in the description box and the comment section below.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.